Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Big Tacos. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on. Once you've done that, I like to rotate my frame at a 90-degree angle. It just makes it easier to work this way. Then we're going to locate sections here and here of your frame, and we're going to pull out on these sections with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumbs to unseat it. Let's give it a shot. And you should hear a popping sound like that. If you do not be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. Now we're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate sections here and here of your frame, and we're going to be pulling out with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumb to unseat it. Let's give it another shot. Perfect. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around. Once you've done that, locate the inside grooves of the frame, and that's what we're going to be lining up our lens to. Now today I'm going to be installing my Revo Seek Optics blue lenses, and we're going to be lining up this top section of the lens here. Now we're going to line up to this groove, so go ahead and line up the lens. And once you've done that, we're simply going to push down or in to insert the lens. Let's give it a shot. And you should hear a popping sound like that. Once you've done that, go ahead and do the same thing to this side. Line up your lens to the top groove here, and then push down or inward to get it to seat. And you should hear that pop. Now once you've done that, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch and give it a nice little wipe down to remove any debris or any oils that might have been left behind during the installation. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.